Hello everyone, let's create an application that demonstrates state management techniques. So basically in ASP.NET there are two types of state management, a client-side state management and server-side state management. So here in this application I'll demonstrate you how to use cookies as a client-side state management and session as a server-side state management. So let's design our application, that is a login application. So this is our practical number 3. Now let's add a form. Let's say this is my login page. So let's take text boxes. One checkbox, and one button control. So let's add BR here everywhere. And let's give the center tag so that everything comes in the center of the screen. Change the IDs of this: username, txt password, chk remember, and let's set the text property also to remember me. This is login. PTM login. So we'll just design our page, a login page. So see the design view of it. It's a simple login form. Now just double click on this. We'll have to add the code for using how to use the cookies. Now here, if you check is equals to true, if this checkbox is true, we need to set that username into a cookie variable. So for that we need to take http cookies on cookie variable equals to new http cookie variable, let's say username. Now add this value dot value txt username dot text. Now set the expiration date for this cookie also. Right, cookie dot expires is equals to date time dot now dot add days. Let's add for 15 days and set into the response object. Response dot cookies dot add variable. So this is how we have set that value into our username value into the cookie variable. Now next time when our page gets loaded, so we need to see that username on the text box, and the checkbox value must also get true. So if it is not post back, so find out the HTTP cookie variable is equals to request dot cookie is my username. Now if this cookie variable is not equals to null, show that value in a text box. This is from the request object. Values and check that to true. So here, when the next time when your page gets loaded, your cookie value get displayed onto the text box and your checkbox gets true. So let's check it. Execute this page. We're in browser. So let's set this value Alex. Let's have some password. So I have not set password value. So if I'll check this, click login. So this is now set. When again I'll click on this and again run this particular page, you'll find this cookie variable value and the checkbox is true. So this is how we can use cookies. If you want to see the cookie values in a browser, you can just use this Firefox browser to see that cookie value. You'll see here on the local host. So see here, this value has been set into the browser as a cookie variable. So next application is, let's use a session. Now here sessions can be used as a server-side state management. So let's put this into a comment. Now let's use a session variable. Now let's check if txt username dot text dot equals, let's say mca, and txt password dot text dot equals, say mca, then we can set that username into a session variable directly. Is equals to txt username dot text. Now from here, if you want to redirect to the home page, let's say create a home page, add new item. Let's create a home page, home.aspx, where we'll just display the cookie value here, session value here. So let's take a label user and initially let's keep it blank. Now again come to the login page. So here, from here I can do response dot redirect to my home.aspx. So here session has been value of a username has been set into a session variable, and we are now redirecting to the home.aspx. Next immediate thing what we have to do, on the home.aspx page load event, we need to show that session value. So label.text equals to session of that username dot toString. So in label it will display the session value that you have been set in the login page. So let's execute our first page login page. So let's check if it is MCA. Just click on login. So you'll see here this is the home page, and we have displayed the session value on the home page. So thank you.